start from Pakistan. My God, your eyes is so good. You are very, very handsome. No, start from you. Yeah, from young and from the going to heaven. Charot. Ayan. So what's your name? Mr. Right. Wow, I'm your Mrs. Left. Oh, do you have a girlfriend? No, why? We don't have a girlfriend. You have to have a girlfriend. You try Filipino girlfriend or no?
Not yet.
You try Filipina? No? You have to try Filipino better. Better than Filipina. Yeah? You are shy? Don't be shy, ha? You have to show your talent. So go there in front and do your best, ha? Gwapo dito, parang gwapo conception mo. Putang ina, pag babae akong kapabuntis ako dito. Oh, ready? Music for Pakistan. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much, Pakistan. Alam mo yung mga kaibigan niya, pag sumasayo ito, sabi ng mga kaibigan niya, sino kaya sa inyo mamaya ang target nito, no? Sino kaya ang jujuwain itong Pakistan na ito? Let's go from the Philippines! Eto na, kuya ha, itaas mo ang bandera ng Pilipinas, hawak mo ang bansa natin. Si Carlos naka-gold medal, kaya kailangan kuhanin din ang gold medal na yan. Where are you from in the Philippines? Quezon City. So, sanay ito sa mga ganitong mga bagay, kaya pumunta ka na dun, kuya. Ladies and gentlemen, representative from the Philippines, music! Grabe. Parang may tumalsik, kuya. Eto na, another from Pakistan. What is your name? Austin. Austin. Ayan. So anyway, so who's with you? Your friends? There? Ayan. Hello sa mga ka-TikTok natin. Hello sa inyo dyan. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to our friend from Pakistan. Music! Enough. May mga naririnig pa siyang music. Oo, parang meron siyang tawag doon na hangover. Kung sa flight, tawag doon, jet lag pa. Okay, let's go to our friend from Turkey. And we still have one more guest here, our last contestant. Hi Turkey, come here. Who's with you? You have a friend or you're alone? You're alone? Yung bango niya, may manok siya. Okay, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Turkey, Music Turkey! Wait. My friend, I thought you came from Turkey. Why you're jumping? You came from Australia or Canada? I thought you're... One more.